Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. I'm so excited about this video. This video is all about my pink and platinum lavenderish hair. I love how this hair came out. It was sent to me. Thank you guys, Diosa, for sending me yet another wig. This wig came at $6.13. I decided to dye it neon pink and some platinum. The only thing I have to say about this wig is that it's not as thick as I would like it, so I think I am gonna buy a bundle and just add some tracks in the back because it is only a frontal wig, so it's just wefts in the back. So I think I'm just gonna buy a bundle and then dye it pink and just add it in the back just to give it more of a fuller look. Yeah, but that's the only thing I have to say about that wig in a negative sense. Otherwise, the wig is really soft. I'm not really shedding. The color took to the wig really well. If you want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends, like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high.
Okay, this is what the hair came in. Again, this is from Diosa Hair. This is a frontal wig, 14 inches, and this is the inside. It comes with 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back. And I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my wig head and start tacking that down so it doesn't move, so we can start adding some color. I'm using 2 of the neon pinks and then one like a little bit of the platinum. I did not even need all of these neon pinks. This Adore actually stretches a lot, so I ended up pouring some back in the bottle to keep for later. So once you pour that in, I go in with some 40 Developer just to help lift the hair, just in case there's a little bit of yellowness in the hair and stuff like that. So I'm mixing that in. You want to mix that very well until it's one full color. And then you're going to do the same thing to a bit of the platinum. And mix that in as well. Okay, so we're going to get some gloves. And then we're just going to go in and you're just going to paint the hair as you would paint a picture or on some paper or canvas. That's simply all you need to do to dye hair. I just wanted to show you a little bit of that. And what I'm doing is making sure that I'm hitting the root very well, because I don't want to part it or whatever like that. And then you see some blonde pieces at the top near the cap. So just make sure you paint it small pieces so that it goes through and through, and repeat that over and over until it's all pink, pretty much. I always wanted to do pink hair, so I'm super excited to try this out. I was nervous it wasn't going to look nice, sis, but we did it, honey. So in the front, you want to be very, very careful. As soon as you hit that frontal, you want to try to make sure that a lot of it doesn't go through, even though my wig head is now like a rainbow head because it has so many colors from dyeing and stuff. You just want to try your best to make sure that it doesn't go through the cap. And you're just gonna make sure you saturate that color. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Hey guys, okay, so the hair is dyed. I went ahead and I curled it off camera and all of that jazz. And now I'm just putting on the wig because I'm gonna cut off that lace. I want to make sure it fits me well and the color looks okay on me. You know that if the color looks pretty good on you without makeup, you know it's going to look really good once your face is beat and you all dressed up. And because you know, you don't know if the color works until you're all dolled up. That's just how I see it. So make sure that when you cut the lace off, you're cutting in a little bit of a zigzag motion because it makes the hairline look a little bit more natural. So I'm going to go in with that Sculpt color in my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm just going to put that all over the lace so that it looks like my scalp color. I just went and switched my brush because that brush was a little bit too stippled. Now I'm going to squeeze out the rest of this Got2B glue. I promise I bought a new one. And you're just going to put it all over your forehead, and then you're going to wait for that to get dry. And then you're just going to place it down. I didn't want to do the ball cap method because this is not a wig that I'm about to wear like at work or anything like that. I wanted it to be able to pull right off. And I find that when I do the ball cap method, that wig will be able to stay on for at least 2 to 3 days. So I didn't want to do all that for a wig that I'm probably going to take off after I finish filming this video. So I'm going ahead and putting my scarf on and just to lay it down. I'm going to go do my face, and now we're back, and I'm going to start combing out those curls. I want them to be like big, juicy, kind of wavy curls, as you can see. I really love this color, y'all. I really love this color. Right now, then I'm gonna go ahead and put a shirt on, fluff my hair out, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this wig, and I hope you do. Make sure that you tag me on Instagram at Reese LaFleur. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.